see. It looks so good. I have to open it for you.
They look nice.
Black rice. I'm having black rice and fish. But fish is in a little wrap. It looks so good. Tyler's having his usual nuggets and fries. And they're having fries and mesclun.
Oh la 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 la.
Good morning. Oh, you're gonna fall. Big puppy. You're not afraid to fall. You're not afraid to fall. You had a good night?
Yeah.
Alright, it's time for breakfast. Say morning to the faves.
Good morning. Mama?
Ooh. Yes, guy.
Hey guys,
Baby, she's the 3 months.
Not yet, but soon.
good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everybody. Well, today's a new day, it's a new week. Today is Monday, and everybody's getting ready to go to work, to go to school, to go to whatever meetings. Yes, I hope. I just want to take this little moment to wish all of you a new week, a happy new week. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and yeah, and you're ready for this new week. Enjoy to the vlog, and we'll see you guys along the day.
No.
I'm not feeling morning faves. You guys, like Babe said, we are all up and getting ready. Babe say I'm early, but hey, when you have a newborn, you have to do things when they're sleeping. You can't wait for them to wake up, else you can get nothing done. So I'm about to get Tyler ready and then get Sarah up and ready and head out to drop Tyler to school.
Mama.
So I'll catch you guys at some point through today's vlog. Tell faves later.
Later.
Yes, Dad. Perfect timing to get my green juice in before Sarah wake up. Oh, I hear her. Look at her. Look at her. Good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning. Oh.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm waking up.
Yeah, she's awake. Well, I'm not having You guys, as I said that I'm gonna make green juice before she wake up, I hear her go, this girl, she starts to have a really nice pattern. She wakes up just before we go, so I can get her fresh and clean and change and get ready to feed her a bit before we drop Ty to school. You want some of the green juice? No, because you're not feeling well. Mama will enjoy it for you this morning. Stop rocking my foot. Sarah, to give you a slap, you see? Ty! Not so tight. Right. She give you a kiss. She give you a wet kiss. You guys, look at them stomach abs. I just finished doing my ab assignment at home. I realized Sarah have a really nice morning pattern. When I get back from dropping Tyler, she sleep for about 2 hours, so that's the 2 hours that I need to capitalize on. So I got my assignment ab work in. And now I'm gonna jump in the shower and try and see if I can make some breakfast before she wake up, because I have to go on the road. So let's do this. You guys, this mama is having such a busy day. You guys, I went on the road and got back home. Look at my face. I look very tired, right? That's because I am. My girl is right in front of me, and I'm actually in the kitchen about to make dinner, because when Tyler gets home he needs to eat so we can go on the road again, because we need to go to the sports store to pick up a few stuff. And I'm actually here, have my eyes glued on the TV, because my girl is running the 200 meters right now. She missed out on a medal on the 100 meter, but that's okay. Not every day will be your glory days, and her glory day will come again. So she's actually running right now the 200 meters. Let's see how that is gonna go for her. Yeah, she's through to the semi-finals of the 200. But yeah, she's very tired though, I can see. Anyway, you guys, I am going to cook right now. I am making my quick and easy roast chicken. I'm gonna throw this into the oven to make it roast, and I'm gonna throw some quinoa into my rice cooker real quick. And you guys know that I just pop my quinoa out the box and into my rice cooker and cook in no time. What's happening? Husband's home, say hello. My boy's home, say hello.
Hello.
My girl is always home with moi. You guys, we're heading on the road. Hold on, Ty, I soon talk to you. We're heading on the road to pick up a few goodies. Tyler, hold on for Tyler. But then babe suggested that we could eat out. So everything that I cook will be for tomorrow's dinner. So I don't have to cook tomorrow. So we're gonna have dinner out and pick up some goodies for Tyler. Babe said we get to spend some time together. We're getting some accessories for Tyler's swim class. So we got him this goggles thing and the shoes.
It's good.
And this
It's good.
swim bottom and this water shoes. Yo, you guys, we ended up at a restaurant. It's the first time Sarah going to a restaurant. Sarah, it's your first time. It's our first time eating out as a family. I mean, at a restaurant setting. This is the restaurant we're at. We're sitting beside an aquarium. Tyler is happy. It looks so good. I have to open it for you.
You look nice.
Black rice, I'm having black rice and fish. But fish is in a little wrap. It looks so good. Tyler's having his usual nuggets and fries. And babe having fries and mesclun.
Oh la 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 la.
Sarah ready for my plate. Sarah ready for my plate.
Look at this.
What kind of pie is that, honey?
Lemon.
Tasty. Look at this.
You like it? You look drunk.
You wanna taste mine? You wanna taste mine?
This is very yummy.
Creme brulee. Mine is more yummy than. You guys, we are back home, and of course, Tyler fell asleep on our way home in the car.
In the car, so we did a good choice to make him pee.
Oh yeah, before we came, I know my kids so well.
So the mission is when he's sleeping in the car to carry him from the car to his bed without waking him up and take off his shoes, take off his pants and make him sleep until tomorrow. So mission success.
Well, it's not like he's a person who when
even
he's
if he
bedtime,
will,
you have a problem.
even if he will wake up, he will hug you more and carry him. So yeah.
We had a good time at dinner. I'm happy that babe suggested going out. We had a lovely time together, just chilling and chatting and enjoying dinner. We're back home and we're gonna give you guys the expression of the day. So the expression of today, since we ate so much, I told babe earlier that I just ate all my calories that I'm to eat for the entire week in one dinner. So the expression, Jamaican expression for today is me kaka full. When a Jamaican say, lad, boy, me kaka full, mean your belly full, you're not hungry. Say it.
Me caca full.
Yes, funny enough, caca in French means to poop.
Mean the poop, so
So
our
Tyler
poop is
would
full.
laugh at this
Oh
one.
yeah, oh yeah.
But he's gone to bed and Sarah is beside us falling asleep. You guys gonna see her after baby expression. What's the French expression for today?
Avoir la peau bien tendue.
Avoir la peau bien tendue.
Yeah, peau is skin and tendue is like tend, like something like stretch.
Okay.
So that means that you eat so well that your
Stomach
skin
stretching.
is stretching. So when you're big, but like your stomach full and stiff and avoir la peau bien tendue.
Okay, alright, you guys. There goes the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Actually, I get it.
Yay, yay. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the papa. And we're gonna show you Sarah. She's beside us, falling asleep all by herself. Look at her falling asleep. She's falling asleep. Say bye, face. So baby number 2 is going down. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.